The brushes, that brush set looks so cute, and I have tried this brand before, so I would be very pleased if I got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. We are talking all about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers for April 2022. The cost of the bag is $28 with free shipping, and you do get 5 full-size beauty products. We do have some spoilers. Now, these are not all of the spoilers that could be the option for you to pick out of your customization when it opens, but just some. Let's start with the bag design. Glam Bag Plus is always like a cotton bag. This is March's bag, and usually it's a drawstring, this kind of shape. So this one is the blue with white daisies. It looks very cute and springy. We have the Ciate Beauty Puff Pass and Bake Setting Powder and 03 Translucent. Okay, the only thing I have tried from them is this is the setting spray. This was in a previous Ipsy. So, okay, I don't bake, but we could, use some setting powder. I would try it. Dr. Brandt, which is always a good brand. That is, you can get the Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. So, I should have said the powder has a retail of $18, and this Dr. Brandt item has a retail of $35. We have a Jekka Black Hydrate Primer, and the only thing I've tried from this brand is in a previous Ipsy, we did get one of their highlighter. It's like a gold pot. This has a retail value of $20. By the way, I don't know if I introduced myself. Hi, my name is Staci. This is Staci Lee Beauty, and on this channel we are all about beauty, from skincare to fashion, and also using, this year I'm really focusing on using what I have, being excited about my current collection, still doing some unboxings because we get Ipsy, and there's a few things here and there that I do purchase. This is also the year of e.l.f., so most of their new products will be reviewed on this channel. So if that kind of sounds interesting to you, I hope you will consider subscribing, and if you want to see what I actually do get in my April bag. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. I hope that you are having a good day. Let's get into some makeup spoilers. Ciate London, that is one brand that I have noticed has been in bags a lot lately, which I'm not mad about. So this is a bronzer. It's called Bamboo Bronzer in Palm Island. And it looks like it has little stars imprinted on it, which it's a little detail, but I love when they have like cool textures or stuff imprinted in the actual product. I think it's cool. This has a retail value of $28. It is infused with sunflower extract. Okay, so it helps bronze but control the shine. We have a palette, which I don't need another palette, but like I said in this month's unboxing, I always get excited if I get a palette. I just can't help it. Am I the only one? I bet I'm not the only one that doesn't need a new palette but loves getting palettes. This is by Sandbar Beauty, and this retails for $26. This is the Mirage palette. It says it has matte, satin, and shimmer shades. So it looks like it's a very neutral palette. So if you're not a neutral girl and you love color, you probably wouldn't like this one. You'd probably have to pull out another palette, I would guess. I am mostly neutral. I'm getting in more and more into color, but I still think it looks pretty. And what I was talking about at the beginning of this video, the little teaser there is a brush set by Farrah. It's a complete brush set, but look at how cute the handles are, the little daisies. They're so cute. So this is a set of 4 with the daisy theme, and this retails for $46. Now, would I personally buy that and pay that for the brush set? No, I would, wait for it to go on sale or something. But I will have to say, I do like their brushes that I have tried so far. And speaking of daisies, did anyone else, I think that probably most people did this, but I don't know if it was always with daisies. I think we had daisies around, but where when you were younger, you kind of picked off each petal and he loves me not. He loves me not. Did you do that with your crush? I bet so, right? So do you like daisies? I like them. My favorite kind of daisy, which is also one of my favorite flowers, is the Gerber daisy. I just think those are so pretty. All right, the last item up here is actually one that I have. And not only is the product the same, the actual color I already have. So this is from Haus Labs, which don't go away yet because I'm going to give you some fun facts about the brand. But this is Le Riot lip gloss in Attitude. And yeah, that's the exact color that I have. So I took my lipstick off and I thought I'd put it on for you guys so that you can see it. This retails for $18. And this is Lady Gaga's makeup line. There is no scent. Here is what the applicator looks like. It makes it it's like kind of bowed in, so it makes it very easy to apply. Here's what it looks like on. So let's do the test if I'm gonna. Okay, so your hair, if you're in the wind, your hair might get stuck in it. You know, it doesn't feel like sticky on necessarily like when you're rubbing your lips together, but it might get, you know, a little in it. I think from now on, each time I do a lip gloss, I'm gonna do that little test. Just put my hair like that and see if it gets stuck or not. Let me know what you think, if you think that's a good way to test it out or what. But let's talk a little bit about Haus Labs. So since I already have it, hopefully I won't get it. If I do, then that will definitely be a giveaway because I don't need to. Haus Labs was launched by Lady Gaga September 17th of 2019. And it was the first major beauty line to launch on Amazon. And I do remember when it came out, you know, I felt like a lot of people, it didn't get glowing reviews. And I think because at the time, like we were still thinking of Lady Gaga as like the over the top, the meat dress kind of thing. And, you know, as you can see, like the packaging is very sleek. But I feel like this is Lady Gaga, like this fits where she is now and what we see of her now. Let me know if you agree. For solo cosmetics, she did do a collab with MAC Cosmetics. Haus Laboratories, I thought that the makeup was the first thing, but they actually launched in 2012 as a perfume brand. And between 2012 and 2014, Gaga released 2 fragrances. Like, I do not remember that. Do you? It was Fame and Eau de Gaga, and it was via the Haus Laboratories label and associated with Coty. Like, do you remember that at all? So there is a look at what you could possibly get, or what I can possibly get if you don't get Ipsy, but you watch my unboxing, what could be coming in April. So yeah, overall, I'd be happy with it. I mean, I never get all the things that are on the spoilers. Sometimes I get 1 or 2, but yeah, I'd be happy with anything because even the Haus Labs, even though I already have that, like I like the formula, so I would be happy to be able to gift that to someone. So yeah, I'm happy, I'm excited. If you want to see what I actually do get when it comes, make sure you are subscribed. It is that button down below. If you hit it and it changes color, you're in. It's free to do. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this. It's her first. It's called the Bamboo Bronzer in Fall. So, okay, let me start over. The bag of